This United Real Estate Infinity property video is presented by Mercysardinas. A spacious open floor plan with living, dining, breakfast area, and laundry room. Offering just under 2,400 square feet, this 4-bedroom plus den, 2-bath home built in 2015 with a beautiful pool and spacious deck to relax is sure to make a long-lasting impression. Tile throughout the home. Large lanai area including an outdoor kitchen perfect for your outdoor fun. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Mercysardinas at 756-564-6055.